Wi-Fi jamming disrupts wireless signals, causing communication issues, and it can have different uses. However, it's important to note that jamming Wi-Fi networks without proper authorization is illegal in many places. Now, to program this device, we will use our Android phone. You need to upload the provided code to this device through an application. The download link for the application and the code would be in description box. Now just follow me. And now your device is ready. Make sure to use this device wisely. Take a look at the screen. It's showing 3 different types of attacks. I will break down each one, explaining what they are, how they work with examples. The first one is the auth attack. Imagine you are at a picnic, enjoying in the park. Suddenly someone starts shouting, "Leave the park, leave the park," even though they are not in charge. Confused, everyone starts packing up and leaving, even though they wanted to stay. That's how a DDoS attack works. A DDoS attack is when a Wi-Fi jammer sends fake messages, pretending to be the original Wi-Fi network, telling devices to leave. It's like someone pretending to be the boss of the company and telling the employees to leave the office, causing disruption by cutting off their connection from the company. The second one is beacon attack. Imagine a street with many shops, and each shop has a signboard outside indicating what they sell. Now, an unknown person comes and changes the signboards of all the shops to either those of unknown shops or makes all the shops' signboard look same. People walking by would get confused about which shops are real and which ones are not. That's similar to a beacon attack. It sends out fake signals that make it hard for the devices to find the real Wi-Fi network among all the fake ones. And the last one is probe attack. Imagine you are waiting in line to buy tickets for a movie, and suddenly someone starts sending out fake messages to the ticket counter, pretending to be from a bunch of people wanting to buy tickets. The ticket seller gets overwhelmed trying to process all these fake requests, which slows down the process for everyone else in the line. That's similar to a probe attack. It floods the Wi-Fi network with fake signals, causing confusion and slowing down the connections for all the real devices trying to connect.
baseline back around again.
Here I am going to test this device on my own Wi-Fi network.
Bring the baseline back around again. Bring the baseline back around again. Bring the baseline back around again.
And that's how it works. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like. Share it with your like-minded friends. If you want more videos like this, then please subscribe to our channel.